Hey my family, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, I'm Erica. I do everything homemaking over here on my channel. So if you guys would, before you leave, hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bells so that you'll know when I upload. I would love for you to become part of the family. So today guys, I have got a few errands to run. I gotta run to Walmart to get my grocery pickup. I just really didn't feel like grocery shopping, like actually going in the store and all that. So I called it in and it's going to be ready between 2 and 3. So I'm finna get ready and put some clothes on so I can go and do that. So now I've got ready and I'm trying to figure out what it is, what perfume do I want to wear today. I might do a combo. I want to try this out. My sister got me this for Christmas. It's called Lovely, and you know what? That's just what it's going to be. She got me this, and I want to wear it. So I'm dressed, y'all. I'm gonna go in the mirror. Well, no, I'm just show you like this. This is what I have on. Just got some jeans, boots, my sweater. This is it. Now I'm gonna put on this that my sister brought me. It's Lovely, and I am a heavy sprayer, so woo, oh my god, y'all. And it is true to the name. It smells so lovely. I wonder what the notes are to this. I'm gonna look this up. It smells really good. So now it's time to get out and catch Walmart. It is 1:49 or 1:50 now. Might be even a little later than that. It's supposed to be there between, no, scratch that. It's 2:49, 2:50. I'm supposed to be there between 2 and 3. So I'm running behind. Muffin is finna take me. So yeah, let me go. Let me go get her. Let's go. So we have gotten the car almost out. Muff is in there. Hopefully she got it the way it needs to be. You're on there. We're gonna get stuck.
No, I had to make sure, brother, because they was gonna be coming up out here and pushing his car. So make sure you got your stuff together. What you looking at? Oh, she started saying who.
Thank you for calling Online Grocery and Pickup at your Georgesville Road Walmart.
Got your little face moving. Oh, hey, boy.
You hear your TT?
Hey, say I hear that old big woman. I hear her. Say she love me.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, I do.
Sorry. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, you so
It's bringing
cute.
it out. It's in the lineup, but it's only saying that we're still driving
Hey,
towards it, not there.
cutie.
Oh, my boot. Punch him in the mouth if I get stuck. Look at this.
And we made it.
Look at this. So how many orders is this? Because what is happening?
It's definitely going down though.
Is the inside
It's
open?
inside closed, so therefore they got no choice.
I don't want to get out.
But we trying to, if you got more than one order, I mean 2 orders, you gotta tweak it.
Oh.
Hello, I do have a few orders. Is it fine I get them taken here, or is the inside open?
Ordering with you?
There's pretty much 3.
We can only do 2. We'll do
Okay,
2
so
and then
what
I'll
do I-
spin a bin again.
I'm sorry.
I'll spin a bin again. Go ahead, start with Charles. It's okay.
Okay.
I had to get me a Nacho Bell Grande. Ooh. Ooh, yes. Yes.
Gotcha. Is it good?
So good. Best thing on the menu. Besides that Mexican pizza, which they don't have no more, but wait, I thought it was coming back. They lied.
Because they ain't coming back.
Right, you brought them to
Okay, y'all, I have made it back with my grocery run. I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I got in just a minute, but I'm finna take care of my animals, get them quiet down, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back, but I was trying to find a place to sit you guys here in the kitchen so y'all can see me. So y'all saw we had to take a little Taco Bell stop. So I just got through eating my Taco Bell. And now I'm finna tackle this kitchen a little bit. And I'm finna put these groceries up so you guys can see what Niecy got, what Erica got in her kitchen. I'm coming up with my own titles for y'all. But yeah, y'all finna see what your girl picked out on her grocery run. Y'all, these are some of my pants, my new pants that I got from Kohl's that day. And I told y'all I wanted to do a try-on haul for y'all. These fit so good. I love the band on my jeans. I call them mom jeans. I don't know, but they are so comfortable. Let me let y'all see them a little bit better. And y'all, I'm using my my Canon that I'm not used to vlogging on, so I'm learning. Here they go, y'all. But these are like my mom jeans, and y'all, she working on that belt. She working on this belly. I'm working on my shape. I'm gonna be ready. I'm gonna be lit for this summer, y'all. For the age of 42, she look good. But anyway, I'm just showing y'all my jeans, a pair that I had picked up from Kohl's. And if you look, they go all the way down. I absolutely love my jeans. Okay, I'm gonna get these groceries up off this floor so y'all can see what all I done picked up. I didn't feel like, you know, sometimes you don't feel like going around the store and picking up, you know, especially when it's a big grocery haul and you trying to stock pretty much everything in your kitchen. No, I didn't feel like that, so I just called it in. My eggs. Okay, y'all, hold on. I'm finna set it all out and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I've got everything out on the counters and stove. So starting off with the orange juice. Let's see, I can put this over here because this goes with this. Orange juice, and then I got some of the Market Side lemonade. This is pretty good, y'all. Walmart brand or whatever. Not Walmart brand, but it's sold in Walmart. This is good. So orange juice, lemonade, boneless spare ribs, pork ribs, some chicken breast, and some pork chops. Some green leaf, lettuce. So I get it like this because I can make a salad or I can make a sandwich with this. I just like how it is. I either get this or romaine, but they be having so much problem with romaine, so I just stuck with the green leaf. Another thing of coffee, 2 jumbo flaky layer biscuits, 2 of the Bob Evans mashed potatoes. Y'all know this is my go-to. I love these, y'all. This what's up. 2 pack of tomatoes, some ham, sliced ham, a big old roll of ground beef, 2 packs of liver, 2 packs of the country fried steaks. These are pretty good too, y'all. That's a quick meal to fix for your family. 2 packs of the 18-count eggs. 2 big bags of sugar, which I think is a 10-pound bag. Yes, 2 10-pound bags of sugar. I have 2 packs of sausage links for breakfast. 2 packs of sausage patties, some rice, and 2 boxes of the instant grits, Quaker grits. And then over here, 2 bags of Brussels sprouts, 2 bags of shrimp. I love this creamer, y'all. This is my go-to #1 favorite creamer now for in the refrigerator kind. I still like my Coffee Mate, y'all. The powder kind, because I hate for my coffee to get cold fast. But when I'm making cold coffee, this sweet cream natural bliss is the bomb. And it's by Coffee Mate as well. But this is just the cold, you know, liquid cream. Here, I'm trying this, guys. I put in there for my Starbucks coffee. Let me show you guys the one that I use. This one right here is the one that I use regularly. And this is the one that I put in for. But for some reason, they sent me this. So I'm going to try this out. I hope it's good. I hope it's not going to make me mad. Because it says black, bold, and smooth. Like, bold scared me. Like, is that going to be real... Ooh, just strong. Because this right here is the blonde roast. You know, it's not as strong, but it's really good. This is my favorite, y'all. This is my favorite. But anyway, I got 2 bags of collard greens already cut and clean, which I always clean them again. But anyway, those. And then I have cans of fruit. Y'all know my mom. If y'all been watching, I tell you all the time, my mom loves these canned fruits. She eats a can or 2 a day. So yeah, that is all I got in my grocery pickup. But just some meat to tie us over, a couple of sides, my coffee and my creamer, and my juices, orange juice, lemonade. So that's about it. And some stuff for breakfast. So y'all, I'm going to clean out my refrigerator. I just noticed that it is a wreck. I'm going to show you guys the before, and then I'll show you guys what it looked like once I get everything put in there. But let me show y'all. Y'all, this is a fool. Okay. Don't judge me, y'all. Don't judge me. Y'all, I really honestly can't even believe it looked like this. Like, I don't know what happened, but this is some stuff that my daughter cooked from last night, and some stuff that I cooked from the night before, and chili that from the night before that. So this is like 3 nights worth of food packed up in here. So y'all see it like this, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it's looking like in just a minute. Okay, y'all, I'm done. I'm done, and I'm gonna show you guys. It's not perfect, but I mean, it's better than what it was. Things are a little more organized. Let me show you. Look at her. Watch out now. Watch out now. She is happy. So guys, I am finna make a meatloaf. I'm gonna do the Bob Evans mashed potatoes, and I'm gonna do some green beans, and that's what we're gonna have for dinner. I've got the refrigerator cleaned out, groceries put away, and now I got my setup over here for the meatloaf. So that's what we're going to eat for dinner. So I'm just gonna season my meat up real good. I just use the basic. I'm gonna use some seasoned salt, a little bit of garlic, salt, some pepper, and I need to get some steak seasoning because that just be good. Let's see. What steak seasoning do I have? I know. Let's just do some salt-free seasoning too. It's got nice. It's got a whole bunch of herbs and stuff in that. A little bit of onion powder. Yep. Okay. That'll do it. And I'm gonna chop up some green onions, well, some onions, bell peppers, and I'm gonna put that in here as well as while it's cooking. Okay, I gotta get some oatmeal. Hello?
Hey there.
Hold on, y'all. Hey.
Oh, you are.
On YouTube. Let me cut this off. Hold on, y'all. So now I'm gonna chop up my bell peppers and onions. And I have my eggs, and I like to use oatmeal in there as well. Y'all got me some new slippers. I love them. I love them, love them, love them, love them. I got them from Marshalls. Y'all know I love my blue. I love the blue and white. Don't pay the toes, no mind. I'm going to get me a pedicure tomorrow. But yeah, they are so comfortable. So y'all, thanks for tuning in today. I hope you guys enjoyed this vloggy vlog. My meal turned out great. It tastes so yummy. My meatloaf and of course my mashed potatoes that I showed you guys. Try them out one day. But until next time, bye bye.